Good morning, guys. This is Trading Channel in which we are going to analyze our big boss Nifty and Bank Nifty as well as USDINR. Today we'll look at the chart and we'll decide the market trend for tomorrow, that is Monday. So first and foremost, we'll take a look on Nifty's chart, which is a big boss of our market. So Nifty was in this triangle formation and it looks like that it has broken down this triangle formation and we may try to test the level of 280. So 19,280 is a kind of a level where Nifty will test its first support area. Then there is another next strong support area which is around 19,200 levels. So why 19,200 level? Because this trend line is a kind of a weekly trend line support and we have talked about it many times on our previous videos. So let's take a look on our weekly trend line support. So let's go into the weekly time frame. So we do have a this trend line formation by the top of the whenever Nifty has gone to, and we can try to test this level. So this level is around 19,200 level, and this is the weekly trend line. So weekly trend line has been formed by the lows of COVID as well as Russia-Ukraine conflict war. So this is the weekly trend line as well as we have the top trend line support in Nifty. So that's why if we'll take a look at the overall structure of Nifty, it looks like that Nifty is going to test this area of weekly trend line. But our first support is 19,280 level, then our second support is near 19,200 level. So we could see an intraday reversal by 19,200 level. So be cautious if you are taking an intraday trade on Nifty. And even the weekly candle does look like that the trend is going to continue because of the bearish Maruzubo candle which it has formed on a weekly time frame. So that's for Nifty. Now we'll take a look on Bank Nifty and we'll see. So Bank Nifty was in head and shoulder pattern. This was the shoulder, this was the head, and here comes the shoulder. And it has clearly broken down the pattern. And our first support is near 43,500 level. 43,500. So this could be our first support in Bank Nifty. And I feel that we will eventually hold this level 43,500 because overall if we take a look then we are in a kind of a bullish trend. So I don't think that we could further go down. If any negative news triggers then only we will go down. So 43,500 is kind of a important support at Bank Nifty. And let's take a look on the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame will be a bullish Maruzubu candle, but still. So yeah, similar candle like Nifty. Bank Nifty has formed a bullish Maruzubu candle, and let's see. I feel the trend may continue on Bank Nifty, similar like Nifty. Now we'll try to give the verdict for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty broke down the triangle, and we can go for short with the strict stop loss on Nifty. So the next support we know is around 19,200 level, and there is an immediate intraday support at 19,280 level. So for Bank Nifty broke down the head and shoulder pattern, and next support is at 43,500 area. So who don't know the head and shoulder pattern? So let me show you head and shoulder pattern. So this is the head and shoulder pattern. So there is a left shoulder, there is a head formation, then there is a right shoulder formation, then there is a breakdown from the neckline area. So this is how head and shoulder pattern works. and this similar situation has occurred in Bank Nifty right now. Now we will take a look on Dow Jones, USDINR and FI data, then we'll try to give the verdicts and trades. So now first we'll take a look on Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is still intact in this consolidation area, and this could be a flat pattern, but I feel that on Monday, on Tuesday, we could see some kind of a downside on Dow Jones, and there could be a bit negativity because of the inflation that has came. So inflation has risen up on Dow Jones. So let me show you the expectations and the results it has given. So first we'll go to sensible, then we'll go to stock market calendar. So they have not updated yet. So there is an inflation rate on India as well, and the inflation rate on US was not that good. So I feel that we could see some kind of a downside on US market. Then we will eventually see a downside on Indian market if the inflation comes higher. Then we are definitely going to see a downside momentum, because as we are in that momentum itself. So that's for Dow Jones. Now we'll take a look on USD INR. So USD INR reversed from the top of the channel. Now again it is trying to test the top of the channel. So it is right now at the make or break zone. So if it breaks this uh, trend line from the upside, then we will see the breakout. But if it reverses from here, then we could say reverse it from here. So you can take a trade accordingly with a strict stop loss on USD INR, and I feel that this could be a better trade because your stop loss will be much lower and your targets will be much higher. So that's the case. So that's for USD INR. So now we'll take a look at FI data. We'll analyze FIDI data. So we have more number of puts, that's for sure. And if we take a look at the open interest is still negative bias, bearish bias. And if we take a look at the number of options bought on, so it's kind of a neutral, so we won't take a look at that part. And the concerning thing is they have sold around 3000 CR on stocks. FY is kind of a neutral area. So overall, if you take a look on, because of the stock itself, the FY data is kind of a negative. So now we'll try to give the verdicts. Dow Jones, USDI and FI data. So Dow Jones may turn bit bearish again. So there is a possibility. And for USD INR is at the breakout or reversal zone. So take trade accordingly with the right stop loss. FI data is kind of a negative. So the verdicts and trades will be. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty can give correction. The trades will be, you can go short on Nifty and Bank Nifty with the tight stop loss. So save your capital and take trade accordingly. Don't just rush into the trades. If tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty gives a gap up opening, see the levels which we talked about and take trade. If it gives a small gap up, then you can short again on Nifty and Bank Nifty. But if it gives a huge gap up, then we could share short covering on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that could be a possibilities. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you later. Bye bye.